So after a new update in Hytale, you can finally tame horses, and this is how you can do it. All you need to do is to just find some horses and make sure to press F on them. So they're gonna show you their favorite food. So horses loves carrots, so grab some carrot, make sure it's in your hand, and now press F to tame. So now I can freely mount that horse and it's tamed. If I press again F, I can mount it, and if I press F again, it's no longer gonna kick me. So this is how you can tame it. If you are not holding carrots, they will just run away. So hold the carrot, run to that horse. As you can see, it's pretty fast, but you have to catch it and press F, and now you can mount it. So that's how you can do it. It's useful for traveling, and your horses will not run away if you are approaching them. Also, if the horses are tamed, you can from the distance grab the carrot and they gonna follow you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.